So I want to show you a sample of the Excel portion of the test that you'll be turning in no later than Friday, September 29th. Mostly I want to show you what I wanted in terms of the labeling. Notice that I have here labeled in column D, mean, modes, range, standard deviation, variance, and then I have the 5-number summary, which is all labeled. Here's the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, maximum, and 20th percentile. I had them in column D. It doesn't matter where you put them as long as I can see where they are and that each number is definitely attached to its label. So to find the mean, we're going to use the Excel function average. Select our data. And just enter. And our mean is added all the data together and divide by 40, 77.5, our average or mean pulse rate. I would suggest that you sort your data from lowest to highest. So it's already been sorted, but I want to show you. You'll go to data and then to A to Z if you want to sort it. So now it is sorted. And that makes it easier to find the modes. It looks like there are a lot of occurrences of 72. So I did a count of those and I found that there were 7. It looks like there are a lot of occurrences of 78. So I did a count of those and I found that there were 7. And it doesn't look like there are any other numbers that occur 7 times. So I am going to call the modes 72 and 78. They occur most often. The range is simply the maximum minus the minimum. The standard deviation can be found by Excel too under STDEV sample. The variance, we just take the standard deviation and square it using up caret 2. Going to go ahead and round that to 2 decimal places. The 5-number summary is the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, maximum. We can find those. Minimum is going to be 56. The first quartile, we'll use the quartile function. Select our data first. Then comma and 1 for first quartile. The median, we can use the quartile 2 or the median function. The third quartile, and comma 3. The maximum is going to be 104. And then for P20, for the 20th percentile, we first have to find our locator. We're first going to take 20% of our sample size, which is 40. So we're going to say 20 divided by 100 times 40, which is 8. Since our locator is a whole number, we're going to take the number that is the midpoint between the 8th and 9th value. In this case, they're both 68, so our 20th percentile will be 68. But just to remember how to take a midpoint, divide by 2, and we get a 20th percentile of 68. So hopefully this helps, and you can go and practice doing this and then reproduce it on your test.